It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Yukon XL Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, 2 auto express windows, the child lock button, and our premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, Denali embroidery in both front seats, and a power sunroof up above. The left of the steering wheel we have the park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, traction control, hill descent control, auto stop start, the heads-up display button, telescopic steering, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and some lighting buttons and dials. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, the buttons to fold the third row seating down, and this button here moves our center console forwards or backwards, reveals a hidden storage compartment. Up above we've also got OnStar and the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change the view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Electronic shift buttons. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's a touch screen. We're able to scroll from side to side. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change our camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Far left has our engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, our rear climate control buttons, USB ports, power plug-ins, SD card. Here we have the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in our grille is the front camera, fog lights, LED headlamps, a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood, 22-inch bright machined aluminum wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Roof rails up top, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting down below. As we make our way to the very back here, we've got dual exhaust and the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. The trunk is quite spacious. We've got cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment located down below. And we've also got a shade up above. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power locks, power windows, door storage, and our rear speakers. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, as well as our rear entertainment. It's a touch screen where you're able to connect your device and watch, listen, or follow along on the navigation screen. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, our rear climate control buttons, some USB ports and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull one of the levers located on the side of the seat. Our third row has 3 additional seats, cup holders, and USB-C plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Yukon XL Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.